Hi, second grade friends. I'm back with math. All right, today we're going to review what we talked about yesterday because it's going to help us learn our new skill today, and that is talking about right angles. Here we go. Let's get started. Okay, so a review from yesterday. Parallel lines, they never cross. So parallel lines can look like this. They never cross. And remember, I said yesterday there's the LL. So they stay the same distance apart and they never cross. So here's an example of a parallel line. And I challenged you yesterday to find parallel lines and perpendicular lines in your house. Did anybody do that? If you did, tell me what you found. What did you find? So here's some examples of what the parallel lines. They're the same distance apart and they don't touch. They never cross. Okay. The next one we talked about yesterday was perpendicular lines. And these lines will cross to make right angles. Well, we talked about that. Okay, so let's see. Here's a set of perpendicular lines that we talked about yesterday. Okay, there's a set. Do they cross? Yes, they do. And they make a right angle. How about this one? These are perpendicular because they make the right angle. Well, right angle, what is a right angle? Okay, do you see this right here? This rock's right there. A right angle is exactly 90 degrees. 90 degrees. And a right angle looks like this. Right here. This is the corner. So the corner makes an angle when they come together. And the angle right here has to be exactly 90 degrees. It can't be any bigger and it can't be any smaller because those are different types of angles. And you'll talk more about those when you get bigger. Okay, so right angle has to look like this. It kind of looks like an L. You can see the shape right here. It looks like the L. Now it can also go this way. Is this a right angle? Where would my right angle be? You're right. It looks right in the corner. It's 90 degrees. We have this one here and this one here. It's exactly 90 degrees. And when the perpendicular lines meet, they make a right angle. Right here, they meet right here in the middle. It's a right angle, and a right angle is exactly 90 degrees. So let's review. Parallel lines never cross. They look like this. Perpendicular will cross to make a right angle. There's that right angle. And we learned today that right angles equal how many degrees? 90 degrees. They stand up nice and tall, nice and straight. Nice and straight right angles. Nice and straight. So you come down and over. And how many degrees does a right angle have to be? You got it. 90 degrees. All right, friends. So today I challenge you to see where do you have right angles in your house and parallel and perpendicular lines. Until we meet tomorrow. Bye, friends.